Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by extracting text that needs translation. Open Unity, find Text Mesh Pro, UI text components, and any scriptable objects storing strings. Use an editor script or asset extractor to export keys, context, and original lines to CSV or JSON so translators see where each string appears. Once done, commit a backup to version control. Make sure to include meta files. This prevents data loss and simplifies merges. Now you have a structured resource file, ready for localization workflows. You hand the CSV or JSON to translators, ensuring keys and context columns stay intact so lines map back correctly. When files return, validate UTF-8 encoding and fix BOM issues that break Unity. Then use an importer script or localization package to read translated entries and replace asset text by key. Update Text Mesh Pro components, prefabs, and scriptable objects. Once done, run a quick play-test scene to spot overflow or truncated text, and adjust font sizes or layout anchors where necessary. You finalize by polishing layouts and testing every locale. Play through UI flows, check right-to-left handling, line breaks, and voiceover timing. Make layout adjustments and add font fallbacks for special scripts. Use addressables or asset bundles to package locales separately so players download only needed languages. If text is missing, search for unmatched keys in your CSV. If glyphs render as boxes, include necessary font glyph ranges or fallback fonts. One quick troubleshooting tip: re-import the translator file and compare keys to find omissions fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.